We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 13. Which graph best represents the relationship between x and y in the equation y equals 3.5x? Substitute x equals 0 and x equals 1 into the equation to find the corresponding y values. Therefore, when x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y equals 3.5 multiplied by 1, which equals 3.5. So A is the correct answer. Question number 14. At a workplace, 153 of the 225 employees attended a meeting. Which statement shows values that are all equivalent to the fraction of employees who attended the meeting? Option F. Simplify by 9 for 153 over 223 equals 17 over 25, which is equals 0.68, means 68%. Hence, F is the correct answer. Question number 15. The dot plot shows the vertical jump height for each of 10 athletes. Each athlete is a dot. Which statement is supported by the data in the dot plot? A. The number of athletes with a vertical jump height of 33 and 1 over 2 inches, we can see 2 dots on the dot plot, is less than the number of athletes with a vertical 2 jump height of 37 and 1 over 2 inches, 1 dot, and 38 inches, also 1 dot. A is not the correct answer. Option B. The number of athletes with a vertical jump height of 34 inches, which is 4 dots, is 1 over 4 of the total number of athletes 10 dots from the dot plot. 1 over 4 of 10 is not 4. So, B is wrong. Option C. The least number of athletes had a vertical jump height of 33 inches, which is 2 dots. That's not correct. The least number of athletes is 1. Therefore, option C is eliminated. Option D. The number of athletes with a vertical jump height of 33 and 1 over 2 inches, which is 2 dots, is 1 over 5 of the total number of athletes. There are 10 total dots, so 1 over 5 multiplied by 10 equals 2. D is the correct answer here. Question number 16. Which situation is best represented by the inequality x over 12 greater than or equal to 7? Option F. Emily divided X crayons into 12 boxes, and there were at most 7 crayons in each box is not correct. Option G. Emily separated X books on 12 shelves, and there were more than 7 books on each shelf, is also not correct. Option H. Emily poured X ounces of juice into 12 cups, and each cup had no less than 7 ounces of juice, which means divide by 12. So, H is the correct answer.